Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a poem called Good Morning. This poem, Good Morning, is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 1, class 3, subject English. So how we are going to learn this poem? We are going to learn this poem with the help of an innovative idea called naming method. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, naming method? The innovations are bringing ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy and building interconnections among the concepts being taught by replacing the actual name with the allotted name. So these are the innovations behind this innovative idea, naming method. What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to build and revise the concepts of vocabulary and describing words from the poem Good Morning. This is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? The implementation part can be divided into two parts. One is building part and another one is revision part. Now let us see the building part. Enter the classroom with having number of picture cards, what we can see in the night time and what we can see in the daytime. That is, for example, sun, moon, morning sky, night sky, and so on. And put all the picture cards on the table and inform the students that I am going to ask you questions and you are going to answer the questions by picking and raising the appropriate or relevant picture card. For example, student number 1. What can we see in the morning time? That particular student has to pick the picture card of morning sky or the picture card of sun. Student number 2. What can we see in the night time? That particular student has to pick the picture card of night sky or moon. So in this way, ask all the students what can we see in the night time or in the daytime and so on. Continue the activity by asking the students more about what else they can relate with the words they spoke and conclude this activity by congratulating the students for their efforts. So that's all about the building part. Now let us see about the revision part. For this revision part, there is a pre-requirement. What is the pre-requirement? The pre-requirement is nothing but number of white blank slips. This is the pre-requirement. Choose individual names for each and every students in the classroom. And also assign those individual names to each and every students in the classroom. After assigning the name, distribute the blank white slips among the students and ask the students to write their assigned names in the slips. And also ask the students to write their name at the back of the slips. Now, ask the students to stick those slips on the shirt pocket so that it can be visible to other students. So, in this way, continue the activity and that's all about the revision part. And this way, the implementation process goes on further. So, what are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, naming method? The students able to identify vocabularies and describing words from the poem Good Morning. The students able to recognize sounds of letters. The students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. The students able to express verbally, that is able to ask questions about a sequence of events or characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to write or draw words and write short sentences in response to a poem or in response to a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students able to collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process, can improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea, naming method. And finally, experiential learning takes the students away from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, naming method. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.